So let's dive right in. Let's run our first query. And that's the select command, which is the key command you start with when you generate a query. When you make a request of the database, you run a select command. And I'm going to say select star, which means get all the field names in the table. I have to tell the SQL Sandbox which table I want to use. I'll use the batting table. And I'm going to give it another condition. So I'm going to select everything from the batting table where the year ID equals 1998. And what this should do is select all the batting records from the year 1998. Let's scroll down, get to our checkbox, run the query. Processing, should get a green check soon. Green check, good. Now what we have here are the results of the query. We have a new data table in our results file. And what we have is listed at the top here, all the different fields. And these are all the batting data from every player season. But every year ID should be 1998 because that's the query we ran. Now I can scroll down here. We're only showing 30 rows. In that database, we have 1,322 rows, though, which are from 1998. The batting table has 1,322 rows from the year 1998. I can go up here, change the year, maybe make it 2013, an important year for the Boston Red Sox, and we'll go down and run another query. We can processing, get a check mark. Now we have the year IDs equal 2013. So you can see how very simply we can start getting data in the layman database. There are only 1,289 rows from 2013 as opposed to 1998. Another very important button is right here in the SQL Sandbox. Below the query box where we enter the queries, and above the results table box, we have the download full results. This is a button to get the full data table, to get all of the rows. If we wanted just the full results table, we'd only see 30 rows here, but if you want all of it, we'd hit the download full results button, and it would download a CSV file that we could start looking at in a spreadsheet. So there's our first query. Start looking at different years and exploring the various tables inside the layman database. And run your first query.